Hi, I'm Rose Macefield, and on this video I'm going to show you how to make a geometrical pattern. They're perfect for side designs on cakes, offering something different and unique to what you'd normally do. Now, to create a geometrical pattern, you just have to use the same shape and the same colours repetitively in a sequence throughout the design. Now, I've started with a fairly simple pattern today. Alternatively, you can research other patterns and have a practice on your own and create something unique. Once you've decided on a pattern, all you'll need is some modelling paste and minimal tools. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. So here I have 4 colours of modelling paste. I've chosen a dark brown and then a light brown to complement it, and then a dark pink and a light pink to complement that. I have a square cutter, a ruler and a rolling pin. The cutter is 2.5 inches and I'll also be using a mini palette knife. To start off, you need to roll out each section of modelling paste really thin, and then make sure each piece is the same thickness. Next, you need to cut a couple of squares from each piece. For a 6-inch round cake, just 2 squares of each colour will be plenty. Next, using a ruler and the mini palette knife, or even a craft knife if you prefer that, you need to cut each square into 4 triangles. Make sure you cut accurately from corner to corner. Now arrange into 2 smaller squares and cut from corner to corner again. This will give you 8 smaller triangles. Repeat the process again so that you end up with 16 tiny triangles. Do this for all 4 colours. Brush the side of the cake with water only. Starting with the dark pink, place a triangle flat against the board at the bottom of the cake. Fit the light pink to the left and then fit the dark brown to the right. Now place the light brown in the gap at the top. It's really important that the triangles fit neatly next to each other and that you don't misshape them in any way. Take your time when applying these to the side of the cake. Start a new layer above and repeat the pattern in exactly the same way. Take a ruler and just very carefully make sure that the pattern is still straight, but still try not to reshape it in any way. Repeat exactly the same process all the way around the outside of the cake, taking special care to make sure that the colours stay in the same sequence. Once you've got a few rows on the cake, you can really see the pattern taking shape. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and good luck when creating your own geometrical patterns for your future cake designs.